Okay, so I'm going to do 63. And that was secant x minus tangent x equals 1 over secant x plus tangent x. So I know we talked about this. I can't remember with what problem it was. But basically, if you have a fraction, sometimes, like, you know that you want this on the bottom, okay? But if you don't have it on the bottom over here, you can start with this side and you can say, alright, I know I want this on the bottom. So what I'm going to do is multiply by this thing over this thing, which is 1. So you're not really changing it. But what you're doing is making sure you're going to get that on the bottom. This is over 1. So you make sure that you get this on the bottom. So you know, okay, I'm partway there. So, and then I'm going to FOIL this on the top. So I get secant squared x. And outer would be plus secant x tangent x. Inner would be minus secant x tangent x. And last would be minus tangent squared x. Now these two are the same with different signs, so they're going to go away. So we get secant squared x minus tangent squared x divided by secant x plus tangent x. Now before, we talked a lot about the Pythagorean identities. This is the one we've been working with, okay? We talked about how to derive them. So if you divide everything by sine or everything by cosine, you can derive them. I know that since they're secant squared and tangent squared, it's probably going to have something to do with this. And secant is the buddy of cosine. So I'm going to divide everything by cosine here to remember what the identity is I'm working with. So this is just kind of off to the side. Sine over cosine is tangent. So tangent squared x plus 1 equals 1 over cosine is secant squared x. So this is the identity I'm working with, and I'm looking there and it might work. So what I'm going to do is, if I subtract tangent squared x, I would get secant squared x minus tangent squared x, and that will give me 1. So that's where this 1 on the top comes from, because secant squared x minus tangent squared x is 1.